Generation Restoration is the theme of this year's World Environment Day and also marks the launch of the United Nations Decade for Ecosystem Restoration. The UN's Decade of Ecosystem Restoration aims to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems on every continent and in every ocean. It's a really ambitious and important goal. It can help to alleviate poverty, combat climate change, and prevent mass extinction. But it's an ambitious and important goal that can only possibly be achieved if we all work together and are willing to do our part. The Generation Restoration theme resonates particularly well with Sappi, based on our very strong belief that working with nature through responsible and sustainable forestry, we can build a bio-based economy that focuses on protecting biodiversity and maintaining and restoring natural forests of high conservation value. We proudly celebrate World Environment Day, knowing that our commitments to maintaining and restoring ecosystems is helping to protect the planet and also delivers on our ambitions to create a thriving world. We invite and encourage everybody to participate in the Generation Restoration program to ensure the sustainability of our planet for ourselves and for future generations to come.